See you next time. We'll do it again soon. Bye. Don't ever invite me to hang out with your friends ever again.
Why?
You know why? Because your friend is a horrible person, but I really like his girlfriend. But you tell me all the time how much your friend likes to cheat on his girlfriend. He doesn't like to be loyal. He likes to talk to girls online. He likes to text them, Snapchat them, and all these things. And then you invite me to hang out with him and his girlfriend. And then I am then going to become friends with said girlfriend. And I'm going to have to tell her that your friend is not loyal.
So you didn't have a good time?
I had a great time.
So then what's the problem?
The problem is, if you don't want me to ruin your friendship with your friend, I cannot be friends with his girlfriend.
So then we can't hang out with them?
No, we can't hang out with them. Absolutely not.
Why?
Okay, if I tell his girlfriend...
Did you have a good time?
Yes.
That's all that matters.
That's not all that matters. It's unfair for me to know that my new friend's boyfriend is cheating on her and not tell her.
Is it your business?